Hey guys, I am back and now I am going to show you the adhesive, um, not the adhesive, but the heat transfer process. I'm not going to really iron this on, but just talk you through the process. So this is the heat transfer vinyl. And again, I have the name Lisa on here. And when you're working with heat transfer, you want to make sure that the shiny side is down on the mat. And then the dull side or the matte non-shiny side will be facing you. And so what the cutting machine will do is, you can see here, it will cut out the words or the images that you have put in Cricut Design Space. So we have Lisa. So the same process like with the adhesive vinyl, you're going to pull away the excess vinyl. And one of the things I do want to tell you is that when you are working with the heat transfer vinyl, you have to mirror the image in Cricut Design Space so that when you turn it around, everything is going in the right direction. If you don't mirror it, it's not going to show correctly for your t-shirt transfer. Okay, your letters are going to be going in the wrong direction. So you can see that the A is coming along there. So I'm just doing like I did with the adhesive vinyl. I'm pulling away the excess vinyl that I don't need. Okay, and yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So you can see we're coming up along the S now. And again, I'm just pulling away the excess vinyl that I will not be utilizing. And this is some glitter vinyl. Okay, so this is now trash. Okay, so that was the excess. There's the name Lisa. Okay, so this is the transfer tape. So earlier when I was working with Lisa on the adhesive vinyl, remember I told you that that transfer tape came from a heat transfer vinyl or heat vinyl. This is the same thing. See, they're the same thing. Okay, so I always say these, I would highly recommend you do the same because you can use them as transfer tape. Okay, so at this point, you are ready to take this and place it on to your t-shirt or, you know, your bag or whatever you're going to place it on that requires heat. And you would aim the camera down a little bit here so you can still see it. Okay, so you would take and you would place Lisa down on your, or whatever you're ironing on, you would place it down on the shirt just like that, and you can see it's ready to go. And at this point, you would take, I use my iron and sometimes I use the heat press, not often, but you would take and put this sheet over it so that it's going to protect the lettering here from your heating source, and it helps with the heat transfer process. Okay, so you would press that on top like that, place that on top like that, and then use an iron or a heat press. I don't have the Easy Press, guys, so I can't do a lot of education on the Easy Press. I don't know if I'm going to buy one because I don't have a need right now. So if there's anyone that knows about the heat press process, the Easy Press process, that wants to chime in on these videos, please let me know. All right, I can always Google, YouTube, research it to find out for you, but I'm just speaking to using an iron or using a heat press. Okay, so you would place that on top and then you would iron it down, and then this part would look like this part, which is clear. There would be nothing left here but just the glitter, as you can see. Lisa would be left on the shirt or whatever you were ironing it on. But because there is no heat applied, the stickiness is not going to work, okay, to stay on the t-shirt. That's how you do a heat transfer with your, that's your heat transfer vinyl. Okay, All right, so I just wanted to jump on and tell you or show you better, give you a better visual about the difference between the adhesive vinyl and the heat transfer vinyl. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. Each one teach one so that we can all be great. Have a good day, guys. Bye.